Hello to all on my YouTube channel once again. It's Sachin Jaiswal from JC Super. So it has always been saying from many of the sellers that you are not selling as much as cheaper as available on India Mart and so many other websites. So let me introduce today. These are the cells which are purely made in China. Okay, these are imported cells. We are not selling this JC Super brand. These are back cells. You can see every people on the websites, on the AliExpress, on anywhere else, you can see these are the back cells people are selling. So we have introduced back cells in our catalog. If you need back cells, then you can contact us. These are our LiFePO4 prismatic cells. These are only imported by us, so we are only importer of this. So we do not say whether someone else will give you the same white quality or not. People are selling the low quality solar cells like 100Ah, 80Ah, 50Ah in blue color cases. If you want those cells, we can also provide them. So let me introduce some cells. Like it is a 2400 mAh cell. You can see it is made of back. Okay, so all my buyers who are willing to purchase low quality cells, you can purchase it from us at a very genuine rates. Chat with us on WhatsApp. My number is 9450 436 These are 2000 mAh cells from back. These are 1500 mAh cells from back. These are 2900 mAh cells from back. These are 6000 mAh cells from back. There are so many other cells also available in stock. If you need LTO cells, we can also supply LTO cells. We have full range of BMS. We can also provide nickel strips, BMSs, and the holders if you want. Cell holders also available in stock. So chat with us for best price. Prices starts from 25 rupees per cell. And yes, we are not disclosing the price to this channel just because the prices are changing day to day. So please contact us on WhatsApp, and do not buy from any other YouTubers who are not having a proper catalog. There are so many fake YouTubers. we also ship worldwide, so if you want to ship the cells to any other country as well, like Netherlands, China, we can also ship to Singapore, USA, Spain, Italy. All the countries are supported. We have special arrangements for courier facilitators like DHL and FedEx Express for high speed delivery. So and remember this, whether you are purchasing a 3C, 2C, 0.5C and all these ratings, it will be counted only when if you are making a smaller pack, and if you are willing to buy for a Powerwall project, you can buy this cell as well. It is a 0.5C rating cell. Means 0.5C means you can charge and discharge at half the rate of the rated current. So these can also be used if you are willing to make a bigger pack. So these are on perfect order. So these cells can be given for 30 rupees. Is the lowest quality cell available. And remember this, people saying that back cells, roofer are also available with us, XTT also available with us, IFB and FB Tech also available with us. All the brands we are having. Okay, so the myths are, the people are saying that they are giving warranty on these cells, and the reality is there is no warranty on these cells, because at this cost no one can give a warranty. If people are giving a 30 rupees cell and saying that yes, we are covering 1 year warranty, it is totally fake. As a importer, as a manufacturer of the lithium ion battery pack and lithium ion cells, we are giving you a detail about the warranty terms, that if anyone, you can also check with the persons who are dealing with a warranty. You can also ask the same whether they are covering warranty for all the defects or not. So the basic term is, if you buy any of these cells, these are compatible with 1 year warranty, but the condition is you have not to spot or solder the cells. Just warranty is covered only if all these cells are given back to us in the same, without a spot and without cosmetic defect, within 1 year, then we will replace it. Then people says how the warranty will be covered if we do not use in any equipment. So the concept is, just because if you use in any equipment like a gimbal or any other thing, then you do not have to solder them. So you can get the warranty for this. But if you are soldering and making a spot or tearing the cover of this or removing the brand name, the warranty will be void. So always be aware that all the Chinese products doesn't come with warranty. So the term is no warranty. So these are all, and please contact me. Once again, my mobile number is 9450436886, and always prepare yourself to buy 100 cells or 100 quantity, one full packet, because in wholesale we can only supply minimum of 100 pieces, 10 pieces, 20 pieces. People, if you can come to our storefront, we can give you the same 1, 2 or 3 pieces. We are also selling on Amazon, but just because Amazon commissions are very high, return rates are very high. So if you willing to buy these roofer, back, IFB, FB Tech, You Better, all these type of cells from Amazon, you can also ask us for Amazon listing. But remember, the Amazon listing cost will include 20% extra from the cost and GST. We are offering all the products on GST, so ask for quotation. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.